This is finish up of a pulmonary vein isolation. We conducted a pulmonary vein isolation with high power short duration ablation successfully and smoothly, and it took about 30 minutes. It's quite fast and efficient ablation procedure. After PVI isolation, please make sure your pulmonary vein is completely isolated by using ring catheter or HD grid catheter one by one. But generally, the guidelines recommend over 30 minutes wait because there's some acute reconnection, and some people use adenosine injection to make sure there's complete isolation. But I do not use adenosine nowadays in my lab, and also during the waiting period, I try to conduct isoprotein provocation and to check the extrapulmonary vein triggers. It takes about 30 minutes, and then lastly we can recheck the pulmonary vein potential. If there's the reconnected pulmonary vein potential, we need to give more energy. After PVI isolation, I exchange it. I use just single transeptal puncture, and I exchange the ablation catheter with ring catheter or HD grid catheter and check the pulmonary vein potential. If it is well isolated, I generated voltage map for the potential window ablation cases. I always try to compare the substrate at the time of window ablation, and also the research purpose. And some people they'll finish up the case in this situation, but I always try to confirm whether there is XPV trigger or not by isoprotein provocation. It is hard to differentiate the remaining far-field appendage potential inside the pulmonary vein. Then I measure the interval between distal CS spacing, this is spacing, and change the position of a ring catheter to appendage. I compare the distance between pacing artifact to the signal. If it is same in the appendage signal and the PV far-field signal, it's okay. Sometimes we see the SVC far-field potential. We differentiate by SVC pacing. So we confirmed every 4 pulmonary veins are isolated successfully without any touch of ablation.